Hare Ram, Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare
Angel, please say the Panchatattva mantra. Everyone repeat after
In order to take my girlfriend out for a date.
One second. Yeah, 1 second.
Hey, my name is Rito, and I've been running.
Okay.
Mataji, shall I say?
Yes.
Mataji, can I say this
Yes.
is Vrinda?
Yes.
Can I say?
Angel, start.
Okay. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya,
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya,
Prabhu Nityananda,
Prabhu
Nityananda, Sri Advaita Gadadhara,
Shri
Advaita Gadadhara, Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, Srivasadi
Okay, so children, thank you for chanting so nicely. So now today I'm going to tell you a nice pastime of Lord Jagannath, and actually this pastime occurred before the Rath Yatra.
I have Jagannath at my home and I watch Jagannath serial also.
Oh, very nice, very good. You have Jagannath in your house. That's nice. Okay.
Yes, a small temple.
Very nice, very nice. So today I'm going to tell you about this particular Leela. Okay, 1 second. First, let me.
Mataji.
Yes. Okay. All
Mataji,
questions in the end.
Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, I got.
Okay. Now today I'm going to tell you about the Gundicha Marjanam. Gundicha Marjan. This thing. Pastime. Okay. So once, what happened, children? When Lord Jagannath, you all know that 15 days before Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra, what happens? Lord Jagannath goes and he comes out of the temple and he comes out for a Snan Yatra. Right? You all know, right? In the Puri temple, Lord Jagannath and all the ISKCON temples of the world also, the Lord Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, all three of them, all the three big deities, they come out. See, they come out of the temple and they are bathed with many juices and panchamrita and nice clarified water and nice cool water, right? And so, because, Lord has to get ready, isn't it? He has to get ready before he comes all dressed up in the Rath Yatra. So, after he is bathed, Lord feels very cold. Sometimes when you all take bath with cold water, do you all feel cold or no? Yes, right? Okay, so you all feel cold, isn't it? So, the same way, Lord feels cold. And then for 15 days, Goddess Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra Maya, all of them are quarantined. Right? They're all quarantined, isn't it? How when somebody gets corona, they get quarantined, right? So this quarantine word is not new. Lord Jagannath gets quarantined for 15 days before Jagannath Rath Yatra. And at that time, Lord is given all type of medicines, Ayurvedic medicines. You all know that. This is a Leela. Lord can never fall sick, but he wants to take some seva from the devotees. So he does this. So a doctor is appointed for Lord Jagannath, and Lord Jagannath is made to drink lot of kashayams and kadas, and with lots of adrak and elaichi and all this. All the Ayurvedic medicines are given to Lord. Now a Lord feels better, and for those 15 days, Lord Jagannath does not give darshan to anybody. The temple is also closed, right? He's getting ready, he's resting, and he's taking all the medicine and everything. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you all know Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Radha and Krishna both together. When Radha and Krishna both came together, how many years ago? 535 years ago, when he came down, he became Chaitanya. He came down as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after his South India yatra, he went to South India and he came back to Jagannath Puri. Then what happened? When he came back, he saw he could not take the darshan of Lord Jagannath. So he would run from here to there. He would go from Puri to Alarnath, which is around 25 kilometers from Jagannath Puri, where there is Lord Vishnu's deity, right? So he would worship there and he would say, I can't see my Lord Jagannath. Oh, I'm so distressed. I'm so distressed. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would say this, right? He's who? Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Is Krishna and Radha himself, who came in the form of a devotee of Radha and Krishna. So when he came, then when he would run like this, then Lord Jagannath told him, don't worry, Alarnath, deity of Lord Vishnu, and Lord Jagannath are the same. So then he went to, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Gundicha temple, right? Gundicha is a place where Lord of the Mausi of Lord Jagannath. You know who is who is Lord Jagannath, right? Lord Jagannath's Mausi ji. Mausi means mother's elder sister. So Gundicha is a place of, I'm going to ask you quiz so attentively here. Okay, so Lord Jagannath is, Gundicha is a place of Lord Jagannath's Mausi, where Lord Jagannath appeared, right? How? Because, and who was Gundicha? Gundicha is the name of the wife of King Indradyumna. And King Indradyumna is the one who made the big Puri temple, and he was a great devotee of Lord Jagannath also. So this place is named after the wife of King Indradyumna. So King Indradyumna, and this is the place where King Indradyumna invited Vishwakarma. Vishwakarma is a big architect. He is the architect of the spiritual world, who also created Dwarkapuri for Krishna to stay. Dwarkapuri was so beautiful that Lord Brahma and all the 33 crore Devi Devtas came to see the beauty of Dwarkapuri. So Vishwakarma was invited, and then he made the deity of Lord Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra. But he told King Indradyumna that nobody should come inside until I completely make the deity of the Lord, right? So, but King Indradyumna was very anxious. So many days have passed by. We want to see the deity of the Lord. So he opened the door, and the deities were not complete yet. That is why, children, you see Lord Jagannath's deities like this, and the features are still very geometrical. Eyes are round, and straight hands, not very well defined fingers or anything. But that was an incomplete deity. But Vishwakarma said, now this is the final now, because since you have come inside, so these are the final deities of Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra, and yet they look so beautiful, isn't it? So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted to clean this Gundicha temple, which is 2 kilometers away from Jagannath Puri. So I'm going to just share my screen, children, and I'm going to show you something. which I'll just show you where Lord Jagannath resides in this Gundicha temple. And okay, this is Lord Jagannath. Can you all see my screen? Yes, children, can you all see my screen? Okay, okay, yeah. Okay, sorry, all of you are muted. I didn't realize that. Okay. So this is Lord Jagannath, and now the devotees, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he collected all the devotees and he went to this temple. Now this temple had a lot of cobwebs, had a lot of dust, and also it had lot of grass inside. So he collected all the devotees and he went to this temple to clean just one day before the Rath Yatra. Why? Because Lord Jagannath would come to this temple after Rath Yatra. So, whenever we invite somebody important in our lives, what do? We always clean the house, right? So that that person feels welcome. Now, here we are inviting Lord Jagannath. So, definitely it has to be more clean and nice. See how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself is cleaning. This is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sorry, the picture quality is not too good, but I hope you can make out at least Lord Jagannath. Sorry, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And also, he taught all the devotees how to clean the temple. He took out his gamcha, the external clothing that he had, and he put it in water, rinsed the water, squeezed the water, and he started cleaning the temple. And for those devotees who would clean nicely, he would say, "Oh, you are cleaning so nicely." He would encourage them and he would say, "Oh, go and teach the other devotee there, Panduranga devotee, or the other devotee, Shamsundar devotee, go and teach him how to do the cleaning." And when he would collect all the grass, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would collect all the grass and put it in his gamcha and make a heap outside the temple. So, do you know, children, all the dust and grass that was collected by all the devotees, many thousands of devotees, and the dust collected by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu alone, the heap of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's dust was larger than the heap of the other devotees who were actually cleaning. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us through this Leela how we should clean our hearts before we invite Krishna into our lives. Isn't it, children? Right? Because when we call Krishna, our heart should be clean, right? We should not feel jealous of anyone. We should not envy anybody of their progress, right? And of course, we should be pure devotees, try not to lie, okay, not try to cheat anyone. As children, you should not lie. Lying is a very bad habit. It takes courage to speak the truth and ask for forgiveness, all right? And getting too involved in watching YouTube and many movies and eating too much of outside food, that also pollutes the heart. Then if your heart is polluted, then how will Krishna come? So through this Leela, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us how we should try to become pure devotees of Krishna. See, children, today also this Marjanam is carried on by the devotees all around the world. See how you see these Matajis are cleaning the temple and all the paraphernalia of the temple. So finally, when Lord arrives, he is welcomed and he is happy to uh, uh, be welcomed here in a nice and clean place. So this is the rationale behind this particular Leela. And also in the picture, that picture was not clear, but there was a devotee, there was a big platform where the deities of Lord Jagannath and Baldev and Krishna would come and be sitting. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was cleaning the pillar of the temple. And we saw that there was one devotee who wanted to drink the water which was touching the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he wanted to drink it like this. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu pushed him away, right? Because this devotee somehow came to know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. right? So this devotee now wanted to drink the water, but then what happened? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu threw him away, and asked him to go out. Why did that happen? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so merciful, but why did that happen? Right? So now that happened because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came as a devotee of Krishna. Okay, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not want to reveal to anybody that that he was Lord Krishna himself. He wanted to show to people how a devotee of Krishna should be. So children, from this Gundicha Marjanam festival or the Leela today, which is there, and tomorrow is Rath Yatra, right? So by this, what do we learn? We learn how should we keep our hearts clean, and also externally we should keep our rooms clean, we should keep our house clean, and also we should keep our deity room and temple very clean, because Krishna is living there. Okay, so now I'm going to open the chat box, and I'm going to ask you all to unmute also and answer a few questions. Okay, so how did you like the story of Gundicha Marjanam? Tell me.
Ma'am, we couldn't see the screen.
Very much, could not see the screen, but it was nice. Very nice, but we could not able to see your screen. I like the story.
Okay, okay, fine. Now, children, tell me. Okay, now tell me, children. Okay, for how many days? Okay, now all ready for chat box? Type in your chat box, children. Okay, Mamata Mohan. Who is Mamata Mohan? Mamata Mohan, please unmute yourself and ask. What do you want to ask?
No, ma'am, unknowingly.
Okay, what's your name? Your name is Mamata?
No, ma'am. Srivatsa's mother. Srivatsa want to say something.
Okay, please tell. What does he want to say?
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Okay, please go. Sanvi, yes, Sanvi, unmute yourself and say what do you want to say?
Ma'am, actually, I could not see the screen which you were sharing.
Oh, okay, fine. Maybe some internet issue at your end. So,
Ma'am, everyone could not see.
Everybody were
Ma'am,
not
no
able
one
to
could
see
not
it.
oh,
see.
is it? Oh, okay. I'll send the pictures in the group, children. Okay? I'll send the pictures in the group. Okay. So now, Sushrut, what do you want to say? Sushrut has also raised.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, one question.
Yes, Sushrut, please.
Does Lord Krishna like cow dung?
Does Lord Krishna like?
Cow dung.
Yes. Yes. Cow dung is not like the stool of any other animal. Cow dung is actually used to light the fire in villages. It is used to light the fire in where the people cook, villagers cook food, and it is very tasty. And also, cow dung is used to put on the floors and walls of villages so that mosquitoes stay away. Cow dung has lots of therapeutic value, medically also. Okay, so Krishna likes cow dung. Krishna likes cows. Even cow urine is pure. Okay. Okay. Who else had raised their hands? Okay. Let us start the quiz. Okay, all of you type. Ready? Ragana, Avnish, Sanvi, ready? Okay. So now tell me how many days before Rath Yatra Lord Jagannath goes for quarantine? Tell me, quarantine. Yes.
15 days, ma'am. 15 days.
Yes, everybody. Oh, so many. Unnati, Gagana, Deepika, so many of you have answered. Angel, wonderful. Wonderful. Manasvi, Vishwanathan, Vaishnavi also. Okay, next question. Be ready. Okay, so now tell me, which temple is, which is the place of Lord Jagannath's Masiji? Tell me.
Puri. 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 Jagannath Puri.
I'm getting answers, correct answers in the chat box. Yes, Sushrut.
Puri.
Tanvi.
Jagannath Puri.
It's
Gundicha.
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 Okay.
Gundicha.
Next question.
Gundicha.
Who made the Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra deities for the first time? Who made? Quick, quick, quick. Let me see. Yes, Unnati, correct. Unnati, yes. And Abhishek Prabhu's daughter. Write your name, Arya, right? Arya, write your name. Bhumika, Sanvi, yes. Correct answers. Okay, now next question. Who? Okay, everybody quiet. Now tell me, children. Who started the cleaning process of Gundicha temple? Who started?
Shri Chaitanya, Shri Chaitanya, Shri Chaitanya. Shri Chaitanya.
Prabhu, Deepika, correct. Sanvi, correct. Why?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, now tell me who started the okay, after how many days of Gundicha Maharanam, Lord Jagannath? No, listen to the question. After how many days of Gundicha Marjan? Kabir, naughty boy. Okay. How many days of Gundicha Marjan did Lord Jagannath enter the temple? After how many days? Come on, come on. No? Gundicha Marjan is today and Rath Yatra will be?
30.
Tomorrow. 1 day. Only 1 day. Today we are cleaning the house. Will you clean the house 30 days before somebody comes? Will you clean the house 30 days before somebody comes? Will you become? Just 1 day. 1 day.
One day.
Now, just give me a minute. I am going to bring my mridangam and we are going to sing the Jagannatha Swami. Okay? Just hold on for a minute.
Can it be? Mataji.
Yes. Okay, everyone stand up. Come on. All of you stand up. Stand up and let me.
Man, do you know? Then I practiced this tabla at my home with just the bottle.
Very nice. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Jagannath, Swami, Jaya Jagannath. Everybody, Jaya Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath, Jai Baladeva, Shri Chaitanya, Shri Chaitanya, Shri Chaitanya, Jai
Jaya Jagannath, Jaya Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Next week, same time, Sunday, 12 o'clock. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
I have my new phone. This is a remote control car remote, but I made it as my phone.
Oh, okay. Please use it for Krishna. Haribol, children. Haribol, Hare Krishna.
Now I just have to put battery in it on my